Hi guys, I'm just here to read a story to you. Remember, our essential question is, where do animals live? So this is a story called Bear Snores On, and I just want to share it with you. So remember that you read from left to right, and this is called Bear Snores On by Karma Wilson and Jane Chapman. So let's look at the story. Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep, dark lair, through the long, cold winter, sleeps a great brown bear. Look at the word his. Let's sound it out. Is. Left to right. His. Next page. Look at this. This is the bear's lair. This is where he lives. It looks like it's a cave. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. Look at him, he looks comfortable. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. Boy, look at that. It's really noisy there, and he's still sleeping. I predict they're going to have a hard time waking him up. Let's look. What is that? It's a mouse. An itty bitty mouse, pitter pat, tiptoe, creep crawls in the cave from the fluff, cold snow. Look at all those adjectives right there. Fluff, cold, those are adjectives explaining what the snow is like. Mouse squeaks, too damp, too dank, too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small, hot spark. Why does Mouse go into that cave? He goes into the cave because it's cold. Let's see what happens next. The coals pip-pop and the wind doesn't stop. Look at that word stop. We can sound it out. Ready? Let's sound it out. Stop. Stop. But the bear snores on. He's still sleeping. I predicted it was going to be really hard to wake him up. Let's see what happens next. Two glowing eyes sneak peek in the den. Mouse cries, "Who's there?" And a hare hops in. Oh, look, there's another character. What character is that? That's a hare or a rabbit. "Ho, Mouse," says Hare, "long time no see." So they pop white corn and they brew black tea. I didn't know that rabbits could do that. I guess this is a fantasy story, huh? Let's go next page. Mouse sips, wee slurps, Hare burps, big burps. Look at that word sips again. We can sound it out. Sips. Sips. And who's the characters here? Bear is a character, hare is the character, mouse is the character. But the bear snores on. A badger! There's a badger, scuttles by, sniffs, snuffs at the air. "I smell yummy yums, perhaps we can share." It's nice to share with others, huh? "I brought honey nuts," Badger says with a grin. "Let's divvy them up, cozy down, and dig in." Here's a new character. There's Badger. Is Bear still snoring on? Yep. And they nibble and they munch with chew, chomp, crunch. But what happens to Bear? Bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven flutter in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" twitters wren, and everybody clutters in the great bear's den. What's the setting again? The den is the setting, the cave. They tweet and they twitter, they chat and they chitter, but the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, a slumbering bear sleeps through the party in his very own lair. What does lair mean again? The den. Hare stokes the fire, mouse seasons stew, then a small pepper fleck. makes the bear. Oh, look, there's a small little pepper fleck. It's going to go. What is it going to do to bear? I wonder. Achoo! He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd freezes. What do you think? Do you think they're nervous that bear's waking up? And the bear wakes up. Bear gnarls and he snarls. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he stomps. Bear growls and he grumbles. What do you predict's going to happen? I don't know. What do you think? Let's see. You've snuck in my lair and you've all had fun, but me, I was sleeping and I have had none. And he whimpers and he moans and he wails and he groans, and the bear blubbers on. Hey, look at that word fun. We can sound that out. Fun. Mouse squeaks, don't fret, don't fuss. Look, see, we can pop more corn. We can brew more tea. Hey, look, there's the word see. We know that word. Bear gulps, bear gobbles, he sighs. Remember what sighing is like this? With delight, then he spins tall tales. Tales are stories through the blustery night. When the sun peeks up on a crisp, clear dawn, Bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on. What happened to his friends? They're all so tired. And again, the essential question is, where do animals live? Where do they live? In the cave. I wonder if those animals are going to wake up and if they're going to go outside and play in the snow. Are you guys going to go outside and play in the snow? I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.